primary health services total budget.
PHM organized together with Oxfam France the 3 workshops. The first one on global governance of health, and the second one on health systems and health system strengthening, and a third one on social determinants of health. The workshops were very well attended and by different people each time. Then we had the chance to exchange with people from the trade unions, European trade unions, for example, in the first workshop. And the second workshop to have case studies from different African countries. And in today's workshop, which was on social determinants of health, we had case studies from the Arabic region, from Morocco and from Palestine, but also from Senegal. I think that there were people who came who already knew the PHM, but for example for the trade unions, not all of them did know. And I think it was really good to expose them to the combination of analysis that the PHM does between what happens at the local level in terms of health and health policies and what are the structural and global determinants of these policies. Being in this social forum in Tunisia is really a specific meaning and a specific relevance because the civil society here is opening to a new life, and I think it's very, very interesting to be here and listen to what they have to say, although of course there are very different opinions and also a very complex situation in terms of civil society. But I think also the well-organization of this forum is a sign of hope for the future development of democratic participation in this part of the world.